Go.
Hi, I'm Mylon Smith, and this is my presentation on Gray's Reef Marine Sanctuary. What is a marine sanctuary? A marine sanctuary is a protected area of the ocean where the government has limited human activity. What activities do marine sanctuaries allow? They allow everything from recreation to scientific research to commercial fishing. The Marine Sanctuary System. The Marine Sanctuary System is a network of marine protected areas that are controlled by the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. This system of sanctuaries has regions spread off the coast of the United States and is necessary for the conservation of ocean habitats. And this is just a map of many of the sanctuaries around the United States. Some other forms of protected marine areas include marine reserves, no-take zones, fully protected marine areas, and marine parks. Marine reserves are protected marine areas where destroying natural or cultural resources is prohibited. No-take zones are areas where no extraction activities are allowed. Fully protected marine areas are areas where absolutely no damaging practices are allowed. And marine parks are designated areas that promote sustainability and restoration of marine life while also allowing for some recreational activities. This is a worldview map of marine protected areas throughout the entire world. So how are marine sanctuaries different? They are different because they're designated by the NOAA. They are protected under federal law under the National Marine Sanctuaries Act that grants the NOAA authority to issue regulations, develop management plans, and enforce these policies. And they have a community advisory council that meets and advises them. Gray's Reef Marine Sanctuary. This is a photo from Gray's Reef of a diver and the coral, and this is where it is located right off the coast of Georgia. Some information about Gray's Reef. It is located off the coast of Georgia in the United States. It is 22 square miles. It became a designated marine sanctuary in 1981, and it is home to 1,000 species of invertebrates and 200 species of fish. Some interesting facts about Gray's Reef are that it hosts one of the only no-take zones in the region. The sanctuary was named after Milton Gray, who discovered the area. Gray's Reef has only been underwater for about 16,000 years, which is a very minimal time compared to most marine sanctuaries. And a woolly mammoth tusk has actually been found at Gray's Reef before. Why did Gray's Reef become part of the marine sanctuary system? It is due to its diversity of species and abundance of marine life. Gray's Reef mission is to identify, protect, conserve, and enhance the natural and cultural resources, values, and qualities of the sanctuary for current and future generations. So what all is being researched at Gray's Reef? Gray's Reef does a lot of research, including fish studies, habitat monitoring, autonomous gliders, ocean acidification, predator-prey interactions, non-native species, and sea turtles. Fish studies. This project began in 2008 and studies fish movement within the sanctuary. Acoustic tags were implanted through surgery in fish. These tags emit signals that are detectable by acoustic receivers on the sea floor. This gives scientists the ability to monitor fish movement and habitat preferences. This is one of the acoustic receivers that the fish tags ping off of. Habitat monitoring. Gray's Reef is a popular site for fishing and boating, so marine debris tend to accumulate on the ocean floor. Runoff from coastal communities also affects the waters. Routine monitoring occurs to ensure clean habitats for all of Gray's Reef inhabitants. And here is a diver who is checking out the ocean floor. Autonomous gliders. These underwater vehicles glide through Gray's Reef and have acoustic receivers that ping off of the tagged fish. This allows researchers to study fish movement and migration. Autonomous gliders also contain the ability to track and measure ocean currents. And here is one of the autonomous gliders that they just let down into the ocean. Ocean acidification. Chemistry platforms measure pH, temperature, and carbon dioxide levels in the water. 3 sensors are used to measure carbon dioxide levels in the air, surface water, and seafloor. This has shown that carbon dioxide levels are increasing in the ocean. This is an example of one of the sensors being used and a diver calibrating it. Predator-prey interactions. 360 video technology is used to record interactions of marine life. Divers place these cameras on the ocean floor and swim away. Understanding of these interactions is necessary to predicting effects of management of biological diversity and conservation. This is one of the cameras right here. Non-native species. Researchers continuously monitor non-native species, such as lionfish, and remove them if needed. This is important because these invasive species can be negatively impacting the marine environment in Gray's Reef. This is a picture of the lionfish. And finally, sea turtles. Seafloor studies are conducted by scuba divers to ensure the health of the marine habitat for many creatures, including sea turtles. This research is necessary to ensure all marine life can survive in Gray's Reef. This is some divers, and they are just checking out the habitat down there to make sure it's safe for all animals. All of this research is vital to the health of Gray's Reef and all of its inhabitants. Without it, marine life may not be able to survive and thrive. And this is Gray's Reef poster featuring the sea turtle. Thank you.